Warrior Success Center, we often hear students ask how they can find out who their advisor is. Well, in this Now You Know tutorial, you can find out how. As a WSU student, you will need to meet with your advisor during the advising period before each fall and spring registration. This meeting is important as it allows you to review your class selections and get your access code. You can find your advisor's name in your Degree Audit Report, most often called the DARS, in eServices. So to start, from the main Winona State page, select Resources and then eServices. From here, select Log In and then sign in with your STAR ID and password. To access your DARS, you may need to scroll down to select Academic Records. This opens up three new options. Select Degree Audit, and then click here to access Degree Audit Self-Service. Because this is a different system, you will need to sign in again with your STAR ID and password. Hit Login. From this screen, you can run your DARS for your declared major or even other programs you might be interested in. For this example, to find your advisor, you select Run Declared Programs at the bottom of the screen. This screen will show your major. If you have a double major, you will see both listed. Any minors would be included in the reports for your majors. Select View Audit to see your DARS report. So this brings you to your DARS report. Simply scroll down on the page to the section that lists your advisor. If you have a single major, you'll have one advisor, but you may have multiple advisors for a minor or second major. So if you want or need to reach out to your advisor, you can find contact information using the WSU directory. Simply open a new window and go to the Winona State homepage. From here, select Resources and Directories. Type in your advisor's name in the field. And from here, you will be able to find your advisor's email, phone number, and office. And that's how you can learn the name of your advisor. And now you know.